Class 10, Unit 3, Algebra. Polynomials. Zirang. So, when polynomials consider to be one relationship between zeros and coefficients of quadratic polynomial. Yeah, quadratic polynomial bit. Zirdonani. So, ini kan tijuan polynomial pakat 3x square minus 1. Lo ni taila. Hemi expression 0 lo ni tir number ka 0 of polynomial kan tijuan ni donani. Entinan p entinan ni mea tahen 5 lo da taila 3 x omna 5 kan dasan he chokal 0 lo chok ta se suti chu etila 5 0 of polynomial su ni donani kaka 0 of polynomial omzeni ta se quadratic polynomial kan tisuan polynomial degree 2 ne ho power 2 ne ho nyang chu antinan px equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Lonta sa etiang power 2 ne ho ka quadratic polynomial kan thiu kan ta a chon ta hian a hi 0 ni thilo ni chuan when kan zir to be ka chon relationship between zeros and coefficients of quadratic polynomial ani a let alpha le beta be the zeros of polynomial px. Hetila px kan polynomial 0 lo ni tir thetu chu alpha le beta hi lo ni ta se suti chu pakana chon sum of constituent bel tinani meya alpha le beta hi kan bel chuan minus b by a lo chok dona chu minus b chu nge ni kan ti chuan hetila x coefficient he ni chu coefficient of x ni dona a chu x square coefficient ani le a tila a chu coefficient of x square ni dona ni chuan panina chuan product of zeros and alpha le beta ka kan pantir le chuan intinga mong kan ti chuan c by a chokdona tila c hi kan en chuan constant term khani c chu constant term chokdona a chu x square coefficient dito ka a chu coefficient of x square ni kaka wena consider to can explain teaching nito se exercise a letan exercise 3.1 find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. The relationship between zeros and coefficients to no kan china kan zero kan ta question hi ai nang dio veka so in a transfer che ti don ani question number 1 hi lo ti don taila question number 1 solution have 3x square minus 5x minus 2 chuan hemi 3x square minus 5x minus 2 hi kan factorize potang factorize don chuan splitting middle term main factorize taila hemi le hemi hi ka puntir chuan 6 chodona number pani kan puntir chuan 6 chok tur kan bel chuan a middle term 5 chok tur ka ngai tu le taila 2 le 3 hi ka puntir chuan 6 choka 2 le 3 hi ka bel chuan 5 choka chu ti chu number pani kan puntira 6 chok te tur kan bel chuan hemi chu 2 le 3 chu ni nge me ya ase hemi big hi chuan 2 le 3 hi amman thelo ni chu ti chu number dang kan ngai tu dang chuan 6 into 1 chu 6 ania 6 string in 1 kan pe chuan 5 choka ase itla middle term hi kan en chuan minus sign ane wangin ete minus sign chuk tur chuan number len zok hi minus da taila number te zok hi plus kan da chuan minus 5 lu chok me don ani chu chu 3x square minus hi ka split down chuan mi angin split taila 6x plus 1x minus 2 1 chu ze kher ngai la chuan a first two term in group khata da taila a last two term hi group khata da le taila a first two term atang hian 3x common kala thea 3x common kala chuan x minus 2 uchok nga last two term atang in 1 common kala chuan x minus 2 uchok le chuan x minus 2 bracket sumite we ka zek taila 3x plus 1 pon mi te he zek le so the value of 3x square minus 5x minus 2 is 0. Hemi value te hi 0 nunia. When either x equal to 2. X equal to 2 low so dan so hitila expression entire hemi 0 ni don kan ti to kha chu ti chu hemi hi 0 then equal taila x value ka zon dan so x in masen ka da chon 2 eta pe chon minus 2 equal to pe ka chon plus 2 ni dana 2 lo chuk mai ni or x equal to this time zon vela taila 3x plus 1 equal to 0 ni na ichu x equal to 1 equal to pe kan pe son minus 1 son 3 ron pe vela nga x equal to minus 1 by 3 lo chok don ani therefore the zeros of 3x square minus 5x minus 2 are 2 and minus 1 by 3. Now relationship hoka zong don taila kana chuan sum of zeros to hitilai hi alpha ni nga hi beta kan ta se alpha le beta ka bel turania 2 plus minus 1 by 3 hi ka bel don chuan 2 minus 1 by 3 plus le minus ka punktir chun minus ni dona hi 2 6 minus 1 dona chu 5 by 3 chok dona heta imi number te plus a chuareng reng chuan minus 5 by 3 e ko puntir chuan plus thoni dona ti han jiang nge turani chun hi kan en chuan minus 5 hi nge ni kan ti chuan hi timi hi x coefficient ka ni dona ni ti chu minus 5 chu coefficient of x lunta a 3 hi kan en vela chuan x square coefficient ani two. Coefficient of x square. So product of zero to alpha le beta puntir khania 2 le minus 1 by 3 hi ka puntir chuan minus 2 by 3 so dona chuan minus 2 hi ka en chuan eta constant khania so minus 2 chu constant termania 3 chu x square coefficient ania coefficient of x square ani hey chame chun me tikana dang ho po emi ang hian diesel mai turani sub number 5 a kaletala lemni equation hi dang shata 4u square plus 8u ania chuan hi common kalak chuan 4u hemi tram ta hin 4u common kalak chuan 4u square chuan 4u kalak chuan u omanga plus 8u 4u kalak to chuan 2 62 the value of 4u square plus 8u is 0 when either u equal to 0 or u equal to minus 2 itilai intinge u hi 0 lo chokan ti chuan for u equal to 0 ninga u equal to 4 he kan ka kaltir chuan 0 thoni dona chuan pakhat le chuan u plus 2 equal to 0 lon ta se u equal to 2 he kan ka pheitir chuan minus 2 lon da paka a value lo choda chuni therefore the zeros of 4u square plus 8u are 0 and minus 2 chuan on relation te kha lo jong le don taila sum of zeros equal to sum of zeros to itila penita kha bel mai turani 0 la minus 2 hi ka bel chuan minus 2 so dona chuan minus 2 a hian 1 a je theya so ti chu minus a chu hi chuan ti hian directional top mai turani minus chuan minus 2 hi kan en chuan u hi 4 common kalak chon heta hian 2 om dona chu hi coefficient of u aninga chuan 1 oma noya 1 chu common kalak ti han insa thim lo nga 4 so common kalak don chon u square plus 2u ani dona chuan 1 chu heta hin 1 om dona u coefficient u square coefficient kan dona ti chu coefficient of u square ani dona ni next product of 0 chu emi panite puntir khani le maya 0 le -2 ko puntir chuan 0 chok dona chuan 0 chu maya ti han 1 a zia vela thaya hei chu 0 hi kan en chuan hitila expression in 0 pamlowa chu hitila 0 hi chu constant term dona 1 chu u square coefficient kan ti taka coefficient of u square hi answer chu ni sub number 7 a chuan t square minus 15 kan ya hi t square minus 15 hi intinge kan sia ta kan ti chuan root over 15 square ti hin kan zek thia ya so hemi le hemi ka cancel chuan 15 tho chok dona hemi thaka ti khan je the dona ni hei chu a square minus b square a square minus b square formula chu a plus b a minus b ania so ti chu a plus b a minus b the value of t square minus 15 is 0 when t equal to minus 15 or t equal to a equal to p convert to minus root 15 nia a equal to p convert to plus 15 ani value the zeros of t square minus 15 are minus root 15 and root 15 along down ani so sum of zeros equal to limit hi bel turania minus 15 plus 15 to 0 ni dona to anla hian 1 ti hian je thia chu minus coefficient of t ta hian t square nia t ta khom lowa chuan 0 ni ma chuan 1 chu ta hian 1 om dona etilai 1 chu coefficient of t square chuan product le chu minus mile ini hi ka puntir chuan minus 15 chokanga chun hnoya hian 1 tin zek le ta la chu minus 15 hi kan en chuan constant term khane chuan 1 chu coefficient of t square kania kan chawzal me turani question number 2 is one x square plus 1 by 6 x minus 2 find the zeros of the polynomial verify the relationship between coefficients zeros ti thokania hi factoring ama kan simrem photang LCM 6 luninga 6x square plus x minus 6 le 2 hi ka puntir chun 6 le 2 ka puntir chun 12 chun hi chu 6x square plus x minus 12 loni dona ne itilai 6 intinge bo inti chuan hemi expression pum ka 0 polynomial 0 ni turani wangin 0 len ain thluk dona chuan 6 equal to pia ka peitir chuan 0 le 6 ka puntir chuan 0 lo ninga hi lo chok na me dona ne chuan hi kan factorize le ngai dona 6x square plus 6 le 12 ka puntir chuan 72 chok dona number pani ka puntir chuan 72 chok tur ka bele mo ka pe chuan heta a middle term chok tur kha kan zong le 72 chu 9 8 or 72 nia 9 le 8 ka puntir chuan 72 chok dona 9 tingin 8 ka pe chuan 1 so ti chu 9 le 8 kan mong the ani so this is 9x minus 8x minus 12. So hemi first two terms group kata, last two terms group kata da le toila. So this is first two terms are 3x common kan last one 2x plus 3x 3. So dana minus last two terms are in 4 common level taila 2x plus 3 also velenga so 2x plus 3 3x minus 4 also vele dona ne so the value of x square plus 1 by 6x minus 2 is 0 either x equal to minus 3 by 2 it is like minus 3 by 2 low so dan so it is here that here continue 2x plus 3 equal to 0 dona x ma chen ka da don so 3 hi minus 3 lo ni nga 2 tihan so dona ne or x equal to 4 by 3 hipo hi himiton hian x equal to 4 equal to pia ko chon plus lo ni nga 3 ron pe vela chon tihan so dona ne therefore the zeros are minus 3 by 2 and 4 by 3 so a relation pekha verify le dan taila sum of zeros to minus 2 by 3 le 4 by 3 hi kan belyang minus 3 by 2 plus 4 by 3 to hitting factor puntir bel to 2 le 3 ka puntir son 6 ninga so hit mi cross multiply to achumi le numi so minus 9 plus mi ko puntir vela chon 8 so minus 1 by 6 so dona hi kan en vela chon minus 1 2 coefficient 1 2 tila x coefficient kan idana chuan 6c hetilai 6c x square coefficient lo ni vela dana ni hetmi a hen ko mang lo wa achan chu hemi hi expression pangai nom lo wa hi expression pangai ka sim chuan hetmi hi 6x square plus x minus 12 hemi hi manturani hi expression pangai in omawangin product of zeros let's one hele hi puntir le metroni minus 3 by 2 into 4 by 3 hele hi ka cancel te ya 2 so ma hi chu minus 2 by 1 aninga question number 3 ho hi an la taila find a quadratic polynomial the sum and product atia a number ma sa zokhi a sum ho kaninga anung hung zokhi a product ho kani doni whose zeros are respectively minus 3 and 2 atidang ka ai nang vek dona avai vain ka tile lo mayang chuan hemi bika hi chuan quadratic polynomial ka kan man tur chu x square minus sum x plus product hemi biki kan mang dona ni pakhat na ka lo ti chinga let alpha and beta be the zeros of the required polynomial px alpha le beta te hi zeros of polynomial px kan polynomial zeros te khalun ta se so alpha plus beta to minus 3 the question 3 here minus 3 2 1 here so one product from to beta to 2 1 here therefore px equal to hemi form mantur kanti etilai form ka mantur kanti to ka suti chu x square minus sum to alpha plus beta ni hi minus ania minus 3 plus product to 2 so ni hi x square minus le minus 2 plus loninga ata hen x sum thing so 3x plus 2 yes the required polynomial is x square plus 3x plus 2 here answer suni me sub number 4 tana dang le shata minus 3 by 2 minus 1 6 zaptor ni solution a chin mi ang thokan let alpha beta be the zeros So they require polynomial px. So alpha plus beta 2 masazoka samani vangin minus 3 by 2. So product 2 minus 1. Therefore, kan polynomial turzu sina kazia achunga kazia ka x square minus sum x plus product hemiform kan zitur kan titaka still x square minus sum su minus 3 by 2 ania x plus product to minus 1 ani. So here x square minus 2 plus 3 by 2 x plus layer minus 2 minus 1. So here expression here pangain daletai la. So this LCM kan lak chon 2 ni dona 2x square plus 3x minus 2. So A2 2x square A equal to peva page 1 0 ne kan puntir vele dona 0 lo ne so he kan polynomial. So hence the required polynomial is 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. Minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4, yeah. So let alpha and beta be the required polynomial px long niveletase. So alpha plus beta 2 minus 1 by 4. Dona product alpha beta 2 1 by 4 long nivele. Therefore px to 2 x square minus sum ani dona sum to 1 by 4 ania x plus product to 1 by 4 ani. So x square minus 2 plus 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4 ni dona ni LCM kan la wala chon 4 LCM kan la 4x square plus x plus 1. So this kan polynomial to 4x square plus x plus 1. Hence the required polynomial is 4x square plus x plus 1. Question number 4 in entire. Write a polynomial whose zeros are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3 near. He alpha lonita se. So he beta lonita se. They can a polynomial ka. Let alpha equal to 2 plus root 3 and beta equal to 2 minus root 3. Loninga so tisu sum to alpha plus beta nia 2 alpha to 2 root 3 plus beta to 2 minus root 3 nia. He bracket ka open one. Hemi here and cancel the dona 2 let 2 ka bel one 4 also dona ni. So product alpha to be 2 alpha beta 2 plus root 3 2 minus root 3. he kan end chuan a plus b a minus b ang in awma chu ti chu a square minus b square chu 4 minus 3 long yang tila hi kan cancel chuan he chu 1 chu ti chu therefore kan polynomial px chu x square minus sum x ni china formula timya engloka x square minus sum x plus product nam tur pati taka chu x square minus sum chu 4 ania x plus product chu 1 hence the required polynomial is x square minus 4x plus 1. Question number 8 hiti don taila. If 1 0 of the polynomial x square plus 9 x square plus 13x plus 16 6a is reciprocal of the other polynomial x square plus 9 x square plus 13x plus 6a kan naya heta alpha le beta tu ka alpha value ka entirna a lo nita se question ina and the other is reciprocal of the other the hemi reciprocal to 1 ba a ani donani. Question number 8. Solution. We have polynomial mipek is equal to taila polynomial mipek to a square plus 9 x square plus 13x plus 6a. Let 1 0 of the polynomial be a heta question number 8. If 1 0 of the polynomial kamika polynomial 0 polynomial pakazoka a lonitasa so is reciprocal of the other tita so titu pakazok to the other 0 of the polynomial to hemi reciprocal to 1 ba a ani don ani product of 0 to alpha le beta puntir kania a le 1 by a hika puntir chuan 1 soka chuan pakhat le product of 0 to constant term by coefficient of x square ani product of zeros level to hemi le hemi hi I include down tina so titu product of zeros I include down one 6 a by a square plus 9 equal to 1 ania 6a he can answer one hitila a constant term kania chuan a square plus 9 to x square coefficient khani hemi yang ka da down tina chu constant term chu heta hian 6a nia 6a ka zia ka coefficient of x square chu a square plus 9 ania a square plus 9 chuan product of zeros chu 1 lo include tho wangin hei po hei product of 0 nia hei po hei product of 0 nia product of 0 ve chu a include don tina chuti chu hei tu tang hian hei ka solve down chuan cross multiplication ti taila mila hemi ka puntir chuan a square plus 9 lo ninga chu 6 a hi lelama ka phitir dei don chuan a square plus 9 6 a hi tarong pe chuan minus 6a ninga hi tilam pang hi 0 che om to thunga chuan hi ka zir tha chuan a square minus 6a plus 9 ni dona leading middle term kan ti don chuan a square minus 3a minus 3a plus 9 equal to 0 aninga common column chuan a minus 3 minus 3 a minus 3 equal to 0 chuan a minus 3 a minus 3 equal to 0 ninga chuti chu a value hi ku zang chuan a minus 3 equal to 0 chuan a equal to 3 equal to pair rong ko chuan 3 nia chuti chu the value of a is equal to 3 question na azober chu find the value of a ti khani